They'll introduce you to where all the work gets done, where Dad spends every spare minute. We get it all done in this little tiny space right here. Alright, got the main man.
What about the Duco on the other
side? Add it. Chucking a new seal and B-pillar in. And Dad's been busy chopping it all out, drilling all the spot welds out, ready for Luke to work his magic. Luckily, all the floor looks okay. Nothing's twisted up too majorly at all. Got lucky there. Luke down here doing his magic. He didn't say he knew what he was doing, but he's doing it. Now prepped everything up. Prepped up, ready for spot welding. Doesn't look pretty, but we'll get there soon.